Yahoo! Good morning. Today is Sunday. Time in Sydney is 11:52 a.m. Date is 6th of August 2023. This is the part 3 I'm going to upload for you guys for the pound USD. Before I say anything, in the name of who, pause the video and read this risk disclaimer. Okay. If we go to the YouTube channel that we have, 4 days ago I announced for the Euro Australia pound USD same time. Okay, and then I mentioned that in this video, if you watch this video, I said we will wait the price pass 2 level and then when it comes to the buying zone, then we can buy it. Okay, what I have said I'm going to show you now. All right, we go to the chart. I said, please watch that video. I said the way I do the trade is this: I will wait for the price to come into this buying zone and then I buy it to this level of 165.058, but eventually the price has to come and touch this yellow line, and market has not passed these 2 lines yet, so this is still valid. I'm waiting to for the price coming down to this level. Okay, when it comes and pass this 2 purple color to this level, and then if we get in arrow, green arrow to buy, then we buy to this level. That is the way I do the trade. If you don't believe me what I have said, so you can watch this video. Anyway, back to the pound USD. When I announced pound USD, it happened straight away after 1 day, and it hit the level because pound was in our buying zone and hit the level. But again, in this video I mentioned that I show you that where the level is another level to buy again, because market when it goes and hit the level normally bounce back again and then try back up again. So in this video that I mentioned, again we can buy the pound USD. I go to the chart and I show you pound USD was here. Okay, the price was here, and I said to you guys, okay, this is another level, make the level for you, and I said we are waiting for the arrow to appear like green arrow in this area to buy it to this. Okay, and then when this arrow happened, the way I do the trade is this: I put closest resistance or support. This one closest support to this arrow is this candlestick. Okay, I put a red line, virtual line, as a stop loss. I don't put a stop loss here because sometimes market would hit the stop loss back up again. So what we do is this: when the candlestick pass this red line, we will wait to mature, and the second candlestick, if it's still red, we close the trade in loss. If it's green, this one is doji, is on decision, so we will wait, and this one still is green, we're not going to close the trade. And then immediately after the second candlestick, which is this one, this candlestick, we close the trade in loss. So from here to here you lose about 20 pip. Okay, and then you will wait for another arrow to buy for recovery plus the final taking profit, which is this one. Okay, if you look, and market went and hit the TPU. All right, let me show you something. We lost about 20 pip here, right? We enter again here, we recover 20 pip, and then finally we got about 108 pip something. All right, you might say to me, okay, where is the arrow here? We do not have any arrow to buy it. Of course, because it's 15 minutes time frame and it hit the stop loss once, and when market come here and I saw all this big shadow, as you can see, I just put one time frame up to 20 minutes and I see the arrow happening. All right, so that's the reason we can enter to the trade and put a stop loss again under this arrow, wait for the candlestick go up to hit the level, or in that case this one is green, still we're not going to close the trade, we are in the trade. Okay, from here to here you recover your loss, all right, and then that is your profit. Okay, so that is what happened to the pound USD. So pound USD hit the target as I have mentioned, and as you can see, when it goes above the level, immediately come back and retest the level. So this is hidden support and resistance in past, which is very important. So we find a level through the software that my partner developed, and then we get a signal according to that level to buy or to sell. Normally I do not do this, I just buy it in the buying zone and hit the level TP1, I get out of the trade quickly. Again, if you watch my video, I said to you guys, this is the TP1 and this is the TP2. I have so many video here, more than 245 video. I always mention this. 70% of the time when market hit the TP1, which is this one, bounce back opposite. Okay, look at this one. As soon as hit, bounce back down. Look, and then I always say eventually market would back up again and goes hit the level again, and then final. This is my final level I gave you before. Okay, so 70% of the time when market hit the TP1 would like a rubber band, rejected. So you have to get out quickly and then wait for another opportunity to buy to that level, and the second one, the final one, if you want to be greedy. But if you're not, you just get out of the trade with a profit here. All right, so in the name of who, please pause the video and read this disclaimer before I go. Please look after yourself and your family, as I always say. I'm going to close this video. The pound USD prediction was correct, thanks God. Twice we mentioned about where market is heading, and it did happen. So I'm going to close this video. Yahoo! Thanks for watching. Done. Finish.